welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to be an unboxing of my Walmart subscription. This is a seasonal box, so you only get it 4 times a year. This is the winter box that I received just today, and as always, I open it up on camera with you guys. I like this subscription so much because number one, it's very inexpensive. You only pay for the shipping, which is $5. You receive I think about maybe 5 trial size items, and I like that because we all travel and you always need travel size items when you travel to make your packing very efficient. You don't have to pack all that bulky products sometimes. And I also like it because it gives you the opportunity to try different products. So without further ado, we're going to jump into the video. But before we jump into the video, I would love for you guys to hit that subscribe button. Come on, be a part of our YouTube family. We do a lot of wonderful things on this channel. I try to give you guys a different variety of videos. Sometimes I do vlogs, sometimes I do hauls, I do clean with me videos. So on this channel, you will get a little bit of everything. Once you hit that subscribe button, hit the notification button so you won't miss any of my uploads. So we're going to just dig into this box here and see what I got in this winter edition. I think this is the winter edition, guys. So we're going to jump into the box. It's just simple. Can you see that? So I don't know if you guys can see that. It's just simple packaging. And the last box that I received from my subscription, I really did enjoy. So I've opened it up, and this is how it looks on the inside. So the first item on top is this Clarel Wet Skin Moisturizer. This is supposed to be used after showering or bathing. Apply Clarel Hydrotherapy to wet skin, glides on smoothly and absorbs immediately. No need to rinse off or wait. Towel dry as usual. So you would use this immediately after you get out the shower. Apply it to your skin and just towel off as usual. And like I said, it comes in a nice travel size. The next item is one of my favorites, guys. I love a good mask. I love these bubble sheet masks because when you put them on your skin, it develops like this little foam all over your face, and you could just feel a tingling. And this is the Black Charcoal Bubble Sheet Mask. So you get, I think this is just one. Let me make sure. Yeah, this is just one. And I think I received this in my last subscription and I used it right away. So I'm really, really excited about this. I'm always buying face masks, guys. I just think, your skin is your biggest organ, and you just have to take care of it, and then it would look good. I always love when I receive, skincare items. So very, very excited about this one. The next item is a daily facial by Olay. It is a daily hydrating clean. It is a 5-in-1 cleansing powder of a makeup remover, scrub, toner, mask, and cleanser. So this one item is 5-in-1. So it's a makeup remover, a scrub, a toner, a mask, and a cleanser. So you just have to add water to it, and that's how it looks there. And it is by Olay. So I never tried a cleanser like this before. The direction says to wet the cloth, massage in hands to activate the lather, cleanse face thoroughly, then reuse cloth for final rinse. Disposal cloth. So can't wait to try that out. Like I said, I have never tried one of these before. So when I mentioned earlier in the video, you always get products that you can always try out or experience. So Like I said, I love facial products, and you know, I don't mind trying different things out just to see what works good for me and my skin. I really don't have really sensitive skin, but I tend not to like anything too perfumey or anything too harsh. So, but I will give this a try. So this is just telling you about the next product, which is a Skin Active by Garnier. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. It is a soothing 3-in-1 moisturizer. So I guess after you use this cleanser here, or maybe your mask, you have a moisturizer. And it is a 3-in-1 day-night mask made with rose water, made without mineral oil, parabens, silicones, or dyes. So if you want to use it in the daytime, you can just smooth and hydrate the skin, or you can use it as a mask, leave it on for about 10 minutes. So this is like a 3-in-1 moisturizer here. The next item is a hair mask, and I've had these before. So this is just a simple mask, great for packing. As you see, it's not that big, but you do get enough product to use. It's just a 1-minute mask that you put on your hair by Fructis. And then the next item is a Neutrogena Collagen Kiss. Wow, this is a collagen infused lip mask by Neutrogena. I don't know, guys, this Walmart box is really getting hot. I mean, I love these products. Like I said, I love skin products. I love any type of pampering products that you can use on pamper night. This one box here can complete your whole pamper night. So this is just a collagen infused lip mask for your lips. And the direction says to apply lip mask directly on clean, makeup-free lips. Leave on to 10-15 minutes or longer if desired. Remove mask when done and dispose. So you got your products for your lips, got something for your hair, you got some items for your face here. A complete, when I say complete, guys, this is a complete package or box for a great pamper night. So the very last item is, got me real excited. Oh my goodness, guys, I have never received a pouch in one of the bags. This is a first. So you have this kind of like a bronze color bag here. It has the Walmart symbol on the front there, and it has kind of like the little raindrops designs. I hope you guys can see that. There you go. And it has a little tassel here on the side, and inside is just simple inside, just a blank inside. But this would be great to put your products in to carry with you. This is the first time I have ever received a little pouch from Walmart. So with my products, and everything fits really good inside. So I'm gonna just slide everything in there and zip it right up, pack it in your bag, in your overnight bag, or if you're going away for a weekend, you have everything that you need essentially for your face and for your hair and for your body in this one little pouch here. So, okay, Walmart, you are really doing it. For $5, this has been a great box. I am really enjoying my Walmart box, you guys. I can't believe this. I have never gotten a pouch in the Walmart box, so this was a great surprise. Well, guys, that was the very last item. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, comment, share. But most of all, please subscribe. I would love to have you guys a part of our YouTube family. And as always, please stay blessed. Bye, guys.